Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install BlueStacks in Windows 11. At first, go to your browser, go to Google and search for download BlueStacks. Hit enter. Go to the first link. Click on download BlueStacks 10 and just download it anywhere. Click on save. After downloading it, open folder and then just open the installer. Click on yes. You can minimize everything else. Wait for it to check your system and click on install now. Click on I agree. Now you don't need to do anything, it will download and install itself. Just wait. When the download has been completed, it will check your system requirement and install the software. Just wait. After the installation has been completed, it will automatically open the software and it will load. Just wait. Cross this. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on OK. From here, just click on App Player. And then your BlueStacks will start to open. Just wait. And that is how to download and install BlueStacks in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.